Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name. Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name.
Hey you guys, thank you so much for coming back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Lizzet. Today's video is going to be a cleaning video, so if you are here looking for some cleaning motivation, then stick around.
Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be the someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you.
So I am starting off in my bedroom, and I will admit that I did my bed pretty late this day, and sometimes I do my bed late on certain days. It's just hard sometimes to do it first thing in the morning, especially when we do co-sleep with my two youngest, and sometimes I wake up before them, and by the time that they're up, I'm already doing other things around the house. And then by the time I'm ready to do the bed, Luna's ready for her nap, which is around noon. So sometimes I do my bed pretty late, but I do get it done usually on a daily. So just doing the bed and then picking up the bedroom, you'll see me vacuum and wipe down surfaces. And I feel like when my room is clean, I can accomplish anything. I don't know if that's just me, but I love walking into a clean bedroom.
Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be the someone who can hold your hand. Let me be the someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Be with you. Be with you.
Let's go.
What about a good times? What about a late night? Oh, you really leaving me?
And now moving into Luna's bedroom, and her room is just out of control most of the time. I'm not even gonna lie. She just goes ham with her toys, which is good because it tells me she's playing with them, but I feel like I need to find a better way to organize her toys. Maybe like one of those toy organizers. I feel like she really needs something to help her sort her toys and help me sort her toys. I already decluttered a lot of them, especially because she just had a birthday, so she did get some gifts. I knew she was going to get gifts, so I decluttered before. So I feel like I just need a better system to put her toys away. So here I'm sorting out through some of the clothes that she got for her birthday. A lot of the clothes she got was bigger than what she's wearing now, so just sorting that that out and putting one stack of clothes that fits her now and the other stack of clothes that will probably fit her in a few months or next year. She was very blessed this year. As you can see, she got lots of clothes for her birthday.
If you could look into my eyes, you'd see what I am hypnotized.
So here I was trying to do her bed, but I had a little visitor that just refused to let me clean. And that happens a lot actually when I try to clean and she'll come in here and be like, nope, you're not cleaning this room. So now I'm moving into my kitchen and starting off on my center island. You guys already know that I love to start here. Just sets the tone for me to really get things going in my kitchen, and I feel like just decluttering this space already makes the kitchen look so much cleaner. And for my countertops, I've been using the Lysol Disinfectant spray. It's in like a floral scent. I don't know the exact name of it, but it's the pink floral scent. So it smells really good. It smells very spring. So just continue to wipe down all the countertops, and then I had a ton of dishes that I needed to get done. now I'm going into quote unquote sweep with my vacuum. I have been liking using my vacuum to clean my floors a lot better than a broom, but that's just my personal preference. And this vacuum holds a charge for about 30 to 40 minutes, so it's pretty good on charge. So when I vacuum the whole house with it, it's for sure ready for a charge. So now we are moving into the living room, and the living room is always the number one spot that I have the most to pick up from, because this is where the kids play, this is where we watch TV, where we lounge, so there's always lots to pick up here. So just picking everything up and putting everything where it belongs, lots of toys everywhere, lots of clutter, so just getting it all put away.
She wants it back. She's firing up that body up. Yeah, babe. You think that I want you, but nah, babe. You're one in a million, but it's not for me. I'm not into girls with a plastic trace. Don't take it too personally. Yeah. My fault, my bad. The word's out, but you aren't ready for it. Show off, appearance of I got this, but I
And then after I finished cleaning my floors, I went in with my spray mop using some Fabuloso diluted in some water. I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. That really helps me know that you guys are watching and you guys would like to see more cleaning videos. And if you're not already, I would love for you to subscribe and be a part of this YouTube family of mine. And don't forget to turn on those post notifications. Thank you guys so much for watching, for spending some time with me, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.